Well, it's been a great week over the last week or so for the end of day trade. So let's have a look at this week's trades of the week. The week starting the 7th of August 2017. Starting off with Euro Aussie, which was a trade that triggered back on the 21st of July, and it took a week or so to really start to gather pace. But as we moved through to midweek last week, it moved on through to our target really nicely, and that was a 188 pip winner there as we entered from here, 147.35. Really clear entry point. You can see the sniper disc, you can see the indicators turning from red to green, just much like we saw them turning from green to red here. Same type of setup, and again a nice profitable opportunity there. 188 pips winning there over about 2 weeks or so from this end of day chart. Sterling New Zealand also giving us a great trade from here, and it's interesting, this one, because Carney then came out on Thursday. We just hit target. Carney then came out downgrading growth expectations in the UK, but we'd already hit target beforehand. So the fact that it's reversed 300-400 points since then doesn't matter, because we'd already taken our profit. So let's just zoom into that, going from an entry there at 176.79. That was a 215 pip profit there on Sterling New Zealand, and just holding that trade for a couple of days. Sterling Aussie as well. Let's have a look at the pound. So we've had a really good few runs on the pound and the euro pairs over the last few days, and dollar actually, but let's have a look at some of those in a second. But 164.37, a buy there from the 28th of July, as the market then started to squeeze up, hitting that target mid last week as well on Sterling Aussie dollar. That was a 196 pip winner there. So again, really nice profit there. Timing very much pinpointed on our D1 upgrade to our end of day strategy there, with that yellow disc on the chart, making it very clear about where the entry opportunity is on the close of that bar, 164.37, and in this case, as I said, 196 pip winner. Let's have a look at a couple of those dollar pairs as well. So we like to go through 5 markets in these end of day trades of the week videos. Dollar CAD gave us a lovely buy there from 125.38, and it just did it nicely, really. Squeezed up nicely into Friday's highs there, taking a 100-point gain. Yes, it's gone a touch further from there, about sort of 30 points or so further, but that's okay. I don't mind that. Happy with 100 points for that sniper trade. That's the objective we had when we entered the trade there. So 125.38, closing 126.38. That's 100 pips, and a very nice profit it was too. And finally, kind of brings us into this, I guess, a little bit more awkward looking trade there from Dollar Swiss. And you've got that big entry candlestick there, and we're buying on the close, and you're thinking, oh God, do I really want to be buying it all the way up here, as much of the move already happened? But actually, whilst the market may have gone up to sideways for a few bars, we did grind it out for our 100-point profit there. So long from 96.47, taking profits at 97.47. It was a good profit in the end for us. And actually, it just really goes to show sometimes those trades with those bigger entry candles, they look a little bit awkward, and you think, oh, do I want to buy it at these levels? They're often the best trades because they've got momentum behind them, good force, good vigor behind them. They can then take them through and overshoot them through to our target. So a nice profit on that one. Out of those 5 trades alone, that's approximately 800 pips of profit just from those 5, and there was plenty of other winners last week besides that. So a great week for us on our trading strategies here. Simple entry points, and of course, if you want to learn more about the strategy, how we're setting those targets, where we're putting stop losses, exactly what pinpoints an entry point, then why don't you tune into one of our free online trading webinars. We're actually hosting them, one on Tuesday night there and on Thursday lunchtime. So somewhere on this page you should see a link to complete a form and register your details to attend one of our free online trading webinars, where we'll teach you in detail about this trading strategy and how you could look to use it as well to get on similar trades just like this one here. All right, guys, have a great week, and catch you soon. Bye-bye for now.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.